Question 24. Sarah, a 60 kilogram female, consumes 3 glasses of wine at a family dinner over 2.5 hours. Note, there are 1.2 standard drinks in 1 glass of wine. The blood alcohol content, BAC, for females can be estimated by BAC female equals 10N minus 7.5H over 5.5M, where N equals number of standard drinks, H equals number of hours drinking, M equals mass in kilograms. Part A. Calculate Sarah's BAC at the end of the dinner, correct to 3 decimal places. In order to use the BAC formula, we need to know the number of standard drinks consumed. Now, Sarah consumed 3 glasses of wine over 2.5 hours, and it's noted that each glass of wine is 1.2 standard drinks. So the number of standard drinks consumed over 2.5 hours is 3 glasses of wine times 1.2 standard drinks per glass of wine gives us 3.6 standard drinks consumed. Now we can apply the BAC formula. So BAC is equal to 10 times 3.6 standard drinks minus 7.5 times 2.5 hours. Now I've enclosed that in brackets, and I'm going to divide that by 5.5 times Sarah's weight, which is 60 kilograms, and I've enclosed that in brackets as well. Alternatively, we could enter that in as a fraction, but we could also do it this way as well using brackets and the division symbol. Either way, this evaluates to 0.05227 and so on, but the question is asking for the BAC correct to 3 decimal places. Therefore, Sarah's BAC is 0.052 correct to 3 decimal places. Part B. The time it takes a person's BAC to reach 0 is given by time equals BAC over 0.015. Calculate the time it takes for Sarah's BAC to return to 0, assuming she stopped drinking after 2.5 hours. Give your answer to the nearest minute. From Part A, we calculated Sarah's BAC to be 0.052 correct to 3 decimal places. Now for Part B, we're asked for the time for Sarah's BAC to return to 0, using the formula time equals BAC divided by 0.015. So applying the formula, the time in hours for Sarah's BAC to return to 0 is given by 0.052 divided by 0.015, which equals 3.4666 and so on hours. But the question is asking for the number of hours and minutes for Sarah's BAC to return to 0. So we need to convert this value here to hours and minutes, and we can use the degrees, minutes, seconds button on the calculator to do that. So we'll do that here. So 0.052, divide that by 0.015. Now we press equals, and then we press the degrees, minutes, seconds button, which is this button here. So pressing that, we can interpret the answer to be 3 hours and 28 minutes. And I've summarised the answer here. Therefore, Sarah's BAC is 0 after 3 hours and 28 minutes.